Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Today let us see how to prepare cool, yummy, tasty, amazing, creamy kulfi at home itself with simple ingredients that are available in our kitchen. Have you ever tried Amul kulfi, that is Malai or Rajwadi? If so, then you can replicate the same taste if you follow this video till the end and prepare it. So let us see how to prepare. First of all, here I have taken a pan and added 350 ml of full fat milk, and then I have added saffron here, and then I have put it on the stove and allowed it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Once you can see that the milk is reducing in its quantity, then it's time to add condensed milk or milk made. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk at home, you can replace that with sugar also. So if you add condensed milk, that gives creamier texture to your kulfi. So if you don't have it, you can skip it and add sugar also. So once you mix it nicely and again allow it to get a nice boil, after 2 to 3 minutes of adding condensed milk, add 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Mix it nicely and then add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Now if you don't have condensed milk, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar according to your taste. Now mix it nicely till all the ingredients mix well. You can see that the milk is thickening slower. Now on low flame only, you need to allow it to boil. After 2 to 3 minutes of again boiling, add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Now milk powder is exclusively your choice. If you don't have milk powder also, you can prepare kulfi happily. Now give it a nice boil. Once you can see that everything is thickening, then add pista and cashew powder. I have taken 5 to 7 pistas and 3 to 4 cashews and blend it nicely, and then you get a powder and you can mix it nicely. So once you can see that the milk is almost reduced in the quantity, now switch off the stove and allow it to cool nicely. Now the cups which you are adding, on the molds you are adding, if you have kulfi molds, then it is fine. Otherwise you can take this disposable cups as I have shown here. Put it in the deep fridge for half an hour, allow the empty cups to cool, and then take it out and add the kulfi mixture into the molds like this. You don't need to grease any oil or something. Directly you can add the kulfi mixture. Now allow it to cool for 1 hour in deep fridge, and then later add the sticks so that it becomes a little bit thicker and the sticks will stand perfectly. Now allow it to cool for 6 hours straight, that is an overnight, or else 2 to 3 hours will do good, and later you can have an amazing creamy kulfi like this. See, some people like to have this rough textured kulfi. You can go with it. If not, after cooling the complete kulfi mixture, you can again blend it nicely and then add it into the cups. You can have it according to your taste. Now trust me, this is amazing, and if you serve it to your family, they'll ask for once more and prepare it for once more. So for 350 ml of milk, I have got 3 full kulfis. Truly this is amazing taste. Please don't miss it. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you. Thank you.